Okay, good luck, everybody. Maybe we should turn off all the lights for this one. Okay, here we go. Feel free to, you can close your eyes at any point and just feel some gratitude for your parents. And this song is really all about really just finally getting off of it, and just letting our parents be who they are. Because you notice your parents are exactly who they are. You notice they're exactly not who they're exactly not. That's the parents you've got. You ever notice they haven't changed much? But we ourselves, we can transform the way we see them. I guess they just never read that book called Parenting that no one's written. And the reason why parenting books generally stink is because every kid's so different that there's just no way to do it right. That's the beauty of being third-born. I owe a lot to being third-born. Because the first-born child, you try to raise the kid and all the dreams you thought you'd raise a kid and you see none of it worked. And so then the second kid you do the opposite and that obviously doesn't work. And so the third kid you've kind of given up and started becoming a parent. I think sometimes when I live, in Jerusalem where people have these giant families, sometimes I think the first two kids are just experimental. And then I was thinking about in America and other countries where people only really have two kids, that they're populating the world with experimental children. And then we start to wonder, now that they've been doing that for 40 years, then we start to wonder why, policies go the way they do. After a while, you have prime ministers who are just really experiments. My apologies. Wasn't necessarily speaking about your prime minister.